So we got Granddad.
Guys, here is Papa Harry.
Open. This is the makeover. And look at Grandma.
Should I join this?
Yes!
Oh my gosh! I like this!
Smudge the
You're
makeup.
the prettiest girl in the hall tonight.
Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, guys, I mean it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Papa Harry and Urban Side. We're gonna go to my niece baby shower. So you know, the other day we them do the video where them carry me go buy the return the makeup that me and Cyan buy, and I bought some new ones. So the new ones that she bought, she's gonna put it on for me now, and we're gonna do a video with it just to see how it look, because the one that she did before, it wasn't my shade. So now I got my shade, so she gonna do it for me.
Yeah, so today we're doing a makeover kind of for her, and we're gonna get Granddad's reaction. I'm moisturizer. This is a foundation.
My purpose in life is to
Not your, like, what is the overall purpose, do you feel like, for human beings? Or you could say from your perspective.
the overall purpose for human being is to love each other, take care of each other, and help as much people as you can in this world.
Okay. Alright, this is a really nice foundation. Just blend it in, blend it. Alright. Time for the concealer now. It's coming together. The base is coming together.
So the same one where you use with the foundation and the same one you use to blend in the concealer.
I just use a different side of
Other thing? Okay.
yeah.
So do you wash that out when you don't use it?
Personally, or would I do it for you? Personally,
No,
I don't.
I'm just saying, should I wash it out when I'm finished?
It's good to practice. I don't usually, but you should.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna do her eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil.
That look like brown.
This is brown.
Yeah, but I want black eyebrow. What am I doing with brown eyebrow?
Girl, I have black eyebrows, but I use the brown because it still works.
Okay.
So. So the eyebrows are done, and now we're on the eyeshadow part. So a little gold here, add a little chicness, add a little classiness to it, you know, nice.
Which one you wear?
Is it in like a shop? Alright, so now we're doing the lip.
This is my lipstick. I'm gonna put a little lip gloss over it. It shine.
Lip shine. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on the eyelashes and we're gonna come back with the finished product for you guys, okay?
Okay.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Alright, you guys, this is the finished
So guys,
product.
this is the finished product.
You guys see
Okay.
her. She's cute. She's 15 at this point. She's 15. She's 15.
Oh my gosh,
what
I
are you-
look so young.
You're 25.
I'm 25 today. I'm
Alright.
25 today. With this here that Reef bought me. Reef bought me this one, eh? It's very nice, very soft. And it's human here, it's not synthetic.
Ah, that's so cute. You look really cute.
So it probably put a dent in our pocket, you know? But this is really nice.
It's really, really nice.
So guys, we're gonna go, Sam's gonna go get Papa Harry. So we're gonna get Papa Harry reaction.
yes.
Okay?
Okay. Okay, so
So
we got
anyway,
Granddad.
guys, here is Papa Harry. Sam leading him.
Just keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. And open. This is the makeover. And look at Grandma. Oh!
You sure Joan this?
Yes!
Oh my God, if you never hear your voice, wouldn't make sense.
Oh!
Why you put it? The Yankees feel up with it. Oh my God, am I
Don't smudge the makeup.
my wife?
Yeah, don't
Oh
smudge
my
the
God.
makeup.
Smudge the
You're the
makeup.
prettiest girl in the hall tonight.
Oh,
Remember me tell you
okay.
something, nah, itch.
That is super cute. You know, we got a little makeover for you.
Yeah, no, she
Hope
look
you-
good, man. She look good.
I hope you like your makeover.
I
Oh,
do.
sweet.
Come
Oh
sit
my
down
God.
yourself, Papa Harry.
She looks so sweet.
Yeah, yeah.
You
Alright.
have the prettiest girl in the hall tonight.
Alright, you guys. So now we're gonna head off to our little get together.
Now we're gonna leave now for the baby shower. So guys, we come to the end of my little makeup makeover from Miss Urban Sign.
I'm a granddaughter.
yeah.
Oh Lord, you make your grandmother pretty.
Yeah.
Son.
Look
Oh,
like
my-
25, eh?
Why 15?
Oh my
man?
That's why I said 15.
the blonde here did look so good, but me rather this one. So anyway, guys, like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell things of mine so you don't miss a post when I post. And guys, please watch the video and give me 10,000 likes on it. You understand me? Just make it go somewhere. Okay, guys, we really need to go to me 50k. I mean, I work on it, guys. So guys, to me 150, cause I have one already, 150, guys. I mean, I work on it. So guys, work with me for me get to me 150. All right? Because I know without you guys, me can't reach there. I need enough, you know, take me to that milestone there. Get me there, you know? Get me to that milestone there. Okay, guys? So guys, as I said, like, subscribe, hit my post notification bell things of mine, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, guys? So I'm out of here.
Bye.
Bye.